How humans perceive human-like behavior in video game navigation. Achieving human-like behavior is a milestone towards future agents that can flexibly collaborate with people in shared human-AI environments, such as driving or cooking. For example, in a shared human-AI driving setting, AI drivers must behave sufficiently human-like for human drivers to interpret, anticipate, and act in their presence. Previously, video games such as Overcooked have been used to investigate human-AI collaboration. Here our question is, how can we create human-like behavior to achieve flexible collaboration in human-AI environments? One way to formalize human-likeness is through a Turing test. We study navigation in a video game through this lens using a framework called the Human Navigation Turing Test, or HNTT. In this test, participants are shown videos of behavior that was generated by an AI or a person, which correspond to the videos that you see now on the screen. We ran a behavioral study on Amazon Mechanical Turk of AI in human-generated navigation behavior with the goal of, on one hand, determining which agents pass or fail the HNTT, and on the other hand, discerning important characteristics for detecting human AI behavior. We've run a few different types of agents in this setting. First, we contribute an agent that passes the HNTT. This agent uses a technique called reward shaping that helps guide its behaviors away from those that we previously identified to appear less human-like. To understand what people identify as characteristic of human AI and AI behavior, we further study this agent along with an agent that does not pass the HNTT. For our second contribution, we analyze the resulting data to gain insights into human and AI navigation characteristics in general. We find clear differences in perceptions of human and AI behaviors. On the top here we can see the most common human identifiers, and on the bottom of the plot we can see the most common AI identifiers. As we can see, participants tended to utilize the smoothness of movements and non-descriptive related to human-like characterizations in order to distinguish between the two behavior sources. Third, we investigate what characteristics people use to identify human and AI behavior. We find that people most commonly use similar characteristics, even when they make mistakes. This indicates that these most commonly used features may actually not be the most informative ones when accurately assessing human likeness. Finally, we compare the agents that pass and fail the HNTT. We find that related to human play is a key identifier when comparing these agents. This suggests that assessors may have a notion of what constitutes human play, but they struggle to describe more specific clues. To conclude, we have run and analyzed a behavioral study based on the Human Navigation Turing Test, or HNTT. We've presented a novel agent that passes the HNTT and draw insights into how human perception of human-like behavior in video game navigation. If you'd like to know more about our findings, please head over to our paper.